Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. And after a very long time, after your half yearly exam, after the Dashera vacation, once again I Aarti Tiwari, your EVS teacher, is in front of you with new lesson. And I am hoping that you missed me during these days. Why I am telling you this? Because nowadays you are become very habitual. You are habitual to watch your teacher's video on YouTube. Right, dear students, and I am hoping that you gave your exam very nicely. Okay, and one more information I want to share with you is that this time when copy correction of second round has been done by the teachers, this time I got so many notebooks with good handwriting. So this time this is my responsibility to motivate you, to clap for you. So whatever notebook I checked, I received, all the notebooks are in good condition, right? And some students to wrote very superbly, very nicely, and like Sharvil, like Amatullah, like Rashri Mahajan, and like Mayur Rathor, and yes, Sharvil Dindorkar. They wrote beautifully. They done their Kriday Mahajan. Yes, Kriday Mahajan. Wait a minute, I noted down the names. Yes, Anju Jagtap and Vineet Yadav, superb handwriting. Smaran Mahajan, superb handwriting. Sharvil Dindorkar, beautiful handwriting. Riza Fatima Malik, superb handwriting. Anas Khan, very good handwriting. Amatullah Easy, superb handwriting. Then Mayur Rathor, outstanding handwriting. Som Malve, good handwriting. Then Kriday Mahajan, good handwriting. Arushi Mahajan, good handwriting. Shreya Gupta, good handwriting. And if I forget some names, then don't feel bad. And one more thing I want to share about Atharv Sukesh. Yes, Atharv is a new student who got the admission in class 3rd Ruby. And last time when copy corrections first round was there, that time he was not have the good handwriting, but this time Atharv wrote very nicely. He improved his handwriting very nicely. So all the students of class 3, I am clapping for you. All the best, well done, good job. Always do good work is in your entire life, because you all are the students, you all are in the learning mode. So beta, don't be lazy, don't give you excuses to mama. No mama, my hand is panic, I will not write. No, do your work with yourself. खुद से करिए आपके सारे काम, right? I am not telling you like this कि don't take the help of parents, but you are studying in class 3. This is your responsibility to complete your notebook on time. Okay? See, dear students, are you going to the office on behalf of your papa? Are you going to the shop on behalf of your papa? No, na. Then why you are telling to your parents ki complete your notebook by himself? अगर आपके पापा के बदले में आप ऑफिस नहीं जाते हो, आपकी मम्मी के बदले में आप घर के काम नहीं करते हो, आपके पापा अगर शॉपकीपर हैं, वो शॉप पे जाते हैं, तो उनके बदले में आप शॉप पर जाकर गल्ले पर नहीं बैठते हो, तो फिर आप अपनी नोटबुक खुद से ही कंप्लीट करना है. ओनली फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स, ओनली फ्यू नोटबुक I got which is completely written by the parents. Not a single word is written by a student. So this is not good for you. But इसमें मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा. But this notebook, this is not good for you. You should complete your own work by yourself only. You can take the parents' help, but try to complete your work with yourself. Okay, now shall we start something new, something different in EVS? So my dear students, today we are going to start new chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 about location of places. This is your chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 is based on location of places. Okay, so shall we start? Are you ready with new learning? Are you ready with this new chapter? Okay, when you will watch this video, take the pencil and the book with you, and I am reading on page number 44. Page number 44. Right? Okay. So whatever we are going to learn, whatever we are going to discuss about this chapter, location of places, I will explain you step by step. I will tell you step by step. Okay, so first I will tell you how many things we are going to learn in this chapter. Number 1, directions. What we are going to learn? Number 1, we will learn about the direction. Right? Number 1, we will discuss about the direction. What is direction? What is direction? What is direction? When you will hear this word direction, so what starts clicking is in your mind, what thoughts starts coming is in your mind, what questions starts coming is in your mind, what imaginations starts coming is in your mind. When you see, dear student, this is very simple funda beta. When you will hear the word cartoon, then what images starts coming is in your mind? Yes, images of Doraemon, Nobita, Shinchan, Chota Bheem, and so many more, Lallan Top, and so many more images starts coming is in your mind. When I will talk about noodles, when I will say the word noodle and you will hear the word noodles, then what imaginations starts coming is in your mind? Yes, imagination of Maggie, imagination of noodles, yuppies, Maggie. All these images starts coming is in your mind. When I will talk about the chocolate, the image of the 5-star, Dairy Milk, Perk, these images, these advertisements starts coming is in your mind. Your mind will go on that direction. When I will say the word IPL, then what kinds of imagination starts coming is in your mind? Yes. Images of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Chennai Express, Kolkata Knight Riders, Kings 11 Punjab, Royal Challenger Bangalore, Mumbai Indians, all the images of cricketers are starts coming is in your mind. Why? Because I spoke the word IPL. When I will speak the word school, then what starts is, what imaginations starts coming is in your mind? Yes, imagination of school bus, imagination of your school uniform, imagination of your classroom, imagination of your assembly, imagination of your mass, imagination of your friends, imagination of your about your books, about your bags, about your teachers. All the imagination starts coming faster in our mind. Why? Because I spoke the word school. So when you will hear the word direction, what starts coming is in your mind? What clicks over here? Here. What clicks you over here? Yes. The first thing is clicks you is in your mind is that Google Map. Why Google Map will click over here? Because I talked about word location. I wrote the word location. Your chapter is about location. And when we hear this word location, then first image is in our mind is about is the Google Map, Google location. Why I told Google location? Because nowadays in this pandemic situation, we all are became the techno savvy persons. We all are using technology. You are getting my lectures because of this technology. Otherwise, I will be not able to teach you. You all are sitting at your home. I am in the school. How I can be able to teach you without the help of this technology? Right? So that's why, beta, that's why I used the word Google Map, location, because nowadays everybody has the smartphone. Everybody, all the common people have smartphone, and we all are using the smartphone. And this facility to get the location, to get the direction is in the smartphone. We all are using Google Maps when we will go out for roaming. Suppose we all are living in Madhya Pradesh, in MP, in Khargone, है ना? But when we will go for roaming to Gujarat, or when we will go for Rajasthan, or when we will go to Mumbai for roaming purpose, then how we come to know about the street, about the location, about the way where we are going? We come to know with the help of Google Map, because Google Map is showing us the location, the direction, where we are, where we have to go. Suppose I am going to Indore and I don't know which street, which way I have to go, which direction I have to go. Then what I will do first? Yes, I will take out my mobile and I will click on Google Map. I will click on location. Then only I will find quickly where I have to go. किस सड़क पे जाना है? In which location I have to go? In which direction I have to go? Which street I have to catch? Which is the right way? Which is the right way to go? These all things I can come to know by one click only. Google Map click. I will click and I will get the direction. If I don't know the place, if I don't know the street, if I don't know the direction, I will take out my mobile. I will click on my mobile. Then I will get the location. Yes, this way is wrong. I have to go on this way. So I will turn my car and I will go on the right direction. I will follow the Google Map. I will follow the Google location. I will follow the direction which Google is telling to me. No, this way is right. This street is right. I have to go here. Nowadays, our life is very, very, very easy because of this technology only. See, if I never ever been on Rajasthan, अगर मैं कभी राजस्थान नहीं गई हूँ, then what I will do? What I will do? I will to have the car. Okay, I sit with the car. I sit in the car with my family. But Rajasthan is very far from Madhya Pradesh, and it is not possible for me, for you to know about all the streets, all the ways, all the sadaks. No, we can't know. हम नहीं जानते बहुत सी सड़कों के बारे में, बहुत सी प्लेस लोकेशंस के बारे में. Then what we will do? Yes, I will take out immediate. I will take out my mobile and tell to the Papa, no, we all are going on wrong way. This is wrong way. Then Papa will tell you, then which way we have to go? No, Papa, if we want to go on that place, if we want to go Udaipur and we want to go on that particular hotel, we have to follow this way. We have to follow this street. We have to follow this location. And we will take the help of Google Map. We all are doing like that. Whatever I spoke, whatever I explained to you about location, about direction, nowadays we all are following the same way. We all are going on the same way. हम सब Google Map की मानते हैं बात को, और जो भी Google Map डायरेक्शन बताता है हम सब उसको फॉलो कर कर जाते हैं अगर हमें सड़क रास्ता नहीं पता होगा तो. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, I am giving you answer on behalf of you. Yes, we all are doing the same thing. We all are following Google Map. We all are following Google location to find out a place, to find out a city, to find out any hotel, to find out a good restaurant, to find out any शानदार जानदार garden. We all are following Google Map. But have you ever think better what early man was doing? This is the modern time. This is the modern yug. And we all are very much techno savvy. We have technology in our hand. हमारे हाथ में हम पूरी दुनिया लेकर चलते हैं. We have entire world is in our palm, is in our mutti. Because of this Android mobile, we to can do everything. But what about that time when people don't have this kind of facility? What about the early man? They don't had this type of facility. जब मैं छोटी थी, when I was a child, this facility was not there. When my parents was small, when they were child, what this type of facility was not there. Then directions तो तब भी थी, locations तो तब भी थे, places तो तब भी थी, cities तो तब भी थे. then what they will do? How they will find the direction? How they will find the location? How they will come to know about that particular restaurant, that particular hotel, that particular garden, that particular temple, that particular city, that particular town? How they will come to know? लोकेशंस तो वर देयर एट दैट टाइम में, उस समय भी लोकेशंस होती थी. Yes, they were use the map. They were use the compass to find out the directions. They were used to map. वो मैप यूज करते थे, वो डायरेक्शन के लिए कंपास यूज करते थे, to find out the location, to find out the direction, to find out the proper place. They were used the map, they were used the compass, they were used the small maps and their brain. They will not follow Google, they will follow their brain. They will follow the map of that particular area. They will follow the compass to get the direction, to find out the right direction. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn about location of places, directions, sub-directions, and how we can locate the place on a map. We will learn all these things: directions, sub-directions, and how we can locate the place on map. All these things we will come to know. All these knowledge we will gain. All the information we will collect by this chapter. Chapter number 7, location of place. So we will learn each and everything which is related with the location, which is related with the direction. Right? So we will learn all these things, but you have to wait for my next lecture. This is the introduction of the new chapter. What we are going to learn. What new thing my ma'am is going to explain me. Yes, we will learn all these things, but you have to wait for my next lecture. This was the introduction of the chapter, right? So when I will meet in the next lecture, I am giving you a small work. You have to read this first paragraph very carefully. Whatever paragraph number 1 on page number 44 is given over here. You have to read this paragraph carefully. Then we will learn everything which is related with the location and the direction. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, do take care of yourself and keep watching, keep liking. Bye.